Hello guys, it's Sakib from BdThemes. Welcome to the Tiny List widget tutorial. The Tiny List widget is a block-based list tool for blog posts. It offers an easy-to-use blog navigation interface to the viewers, making it a comfortable blogging experience. Let's see how it works. First, drag and drop our Tiny List widget on your current page. On the first look, you can see the list as just titles of your blog posts. From the layout section, you can turn on the Show Image switcher and switch on the images for each blog posts. You can select up to 6 columns for the display. By dragging the column gap scroll bar, you can adjust the spacing between the posts. On the section query, you can increase or decrease the item limit on the display. Set the limit to 8 to view the maximum number of posts. From the Style tab, you can change the typography of the title. Let's select something we are comfortable with. Now don't forget that you can turn off the image and instead display the counter number for the posts. Just switch on the Show Counter Number switcher right below the Show Image switcher. From the Style tab, on the section Item, you can add border around your list. Just set the border type to solid and set a width. Pick a color as you like. Also adjust the color transparency to match your theme. Pick a border radius if you want to bevel out the corners. Also padding. Change the colors also in the hover mode. Let's get back to the title section. Change the hover color, matching the border hover color. Same goes for the counter number. It has a separate section where you can change the background color of the counter number, also the text color. You can also turn off the counter number and instead show icons alongside the post titles. The icon option is right below the Show Counter Number switcher. From there, go to the icon library and pick an icon of your like. The icons will be displayed on the left side of the post titles. From the Style tab, you can disable the borders. Now let's change the background into gradient. Select a color that matches your taste. Let's pick a background color for the icon and increase its padding. That's it. Your tiny list is ready to display. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and stay updated. Thanks for watching.